From this point on till the end of today's class, I want you guys to be as creative as you can. I want you guys to show me both of your hands, please. Slowly put your hands on the keyboard, please. Yes, and look at your keyboard. Look at your keyboard, all right? So you see your keyboard is already in a rectangular shape. Did you know this? The bottom row that starts with DXCV, that row has 10 keys. And then the top number keys that starts with, 물결 sign and goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus, plus, and backspace. That row has 14 keys. And that's because our fingers spread, right? And now imagine all you guys have 12 fingers, okay? And therefore, your hands are gonna be wider, right? What's gonna happen to your keyboards? I propose that if we had 12 fingers, the numbers may begin with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Why? Because we got 12 fingers. Don't you think it will feel natural to count by 12 instead of 5s? And to back that up, scientists, brain scientists, neurologists say that if we have 6 fingers, our IQ should rise at least by 20 to 50 points because we'll be used to dealing much bigger numbers. And in grade school, we are not going to stop at times 9 table. We are going to go up to times 12 table. Now look at the screen. Look at your screen. And the screen that you're looking at, your Google Meet screen, that's called 16 by 9 screen, 16대 9 화면. It's rectangular, right? Now, I remember back when I was in the first year of college, YouTube came out. And I remember looking at that YouTube page, and me and my friend were going, wow, this is a game changer. This website called YouTube is going to change the world. And it did, didn't it? Right? But you know what, though? The first YouTube webpage had all the videos on a square screen. And if you guys ever watch TV shows like 응답하라 1988 or any of these TV images of the old TVs had square screen. So why? Why do we look at everything in a rectangular shape? Does anybody have ideas? Does anybody know why? Just like Louis XIV, there was a guy who made this change. It was a guy named Steve Jobs. Before Steve Jobs came along, this is what phones looked like. It had square screen and keypads. And do you know what Steve Jobs did to this? He got rid of all the keys and then he made it all screen. And you may still ask, well, sure, but why rectangle? The distance from your ear to your mouth happens to be rectangular. Each year, we still have about 12,000 people being born with polydactyly. Each time, almost always, we chop them off. Maybe we are so focused on keeping it the way it is. I've heard many times, hey, 5 is all we need. 5 is enough. Well, what if I say, I'm going to put Sophorella in a spaceship and I'm going to send her to a planet where people only have 3 fingers. And they say, hey, 3 is all we need. We hold 1 pen and that's it. And Sophorella is going to go, hey, you guys are missing out. And then what if I put her on a spaceship and send her to a planet where everybody has 7 fingers? And she says, 5 is all we need. And they'll say, you're missing out. You see, the whole idea behind us talking about claws and nails is for me to introduce you the idea of diversity and be more accepting of it.